on again tonight, and I am showing you where I am so far with my journal. So far I have put my scrapbook paper, my digital paper down. I've added some pockets. So I have 3 pockets, but I also have this little tuck spot here. It's right here. And I have a pocket here. Now I didn't put a pocket on the back cover or the front cover, but there is a pocket here. So that's what I have done so far. And I have also finished gluing down the sides of my bag. So this is the point that I'm at with that. So it's ready for me to put my signature in. So I put together just a few pages, and I'm not sure if I'm going to add any more in. I do have this pretty tissue paper that's the perfect colors that goes very, very well with this. I'm not sure, I might add some of that in. So what's the next step with what I'm going to do from here? The next step is I have my signature. It's been trimmed to size, and my signature is going to be sewed in right here. So to do that, I am going to just lay it in here. And it's going to lay in right here. And I'm going to use the 3-hole pamphlet stitch to sew this together. So what do you need to be able to sew this? Excuse me. You need some type of baker's twine. And I have this baker's twine, and I have different colored baking twine. I will probably use the blue because I like that. It matches with my cover, and it just kind of goes with what the colors that I have. So I'll be using this. And I will show you in the next video how to sew your signature in using the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And then from there, once we have the signature sewn in, then we go ahead and do some decorating. And I have printed off the ephemera that Marcy had made that went well with the compassion kit that she has. So I printed that off, and so I will be cutting things out so that I can decorate. I also pulled out some mini index cards, which I will use as well, because these will fit perfectly either in here or in here. Either way, they'll fit perfectly. So I'll be making some tags with these. Also, in addition to some baker's twine, you will also need a yarn darner needle. Now, I picked these up from Walmart, but I've had them forever. And when you thread, you're just going to leave, there's no knot on it or anything like that. You just thread it through, and I'll show you how to determine how much thread that you'll need. So for the next video, I will be showing you how to sew your signature in using your yarn darner needles and some baker's twine. And then in the last video that I will do, I will show you making some different tags and things like that to go in to this journal. So that's where I am. I'm really super excited because these journals come together so quickly. And I really am having fun making it. And I'll be using some of her words that Marcy had made to put on the pages and things as I decorate. So I hope you guys are following along, and I'd love to see pictures of what you're doing and what you have already done with your journal that you're making. So leave a picture of your journal in the comments below this video so that others can see what you have been doing with the papers, the free kits that's being offered in the group. So thanks so much for being a valued part of the East Coast Bible Journaling group, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.